everyone. Now we're going to do a special Manicottis made with crepes. This is an Italian Easter tradition in our home where our mother-in-law, who has passed, handed down her crepe Manicottis, and we're going to show you how to make them. They're way better than buying the pre-made shells that you can find in the stores. These are light and airy because they are crepes, and we're going to show you step-by-step for the recipe. So first, we had put in 8 eggs.
8 eggs.
My mother-in-law always recommended 6 in her recipe, but I went to 8. I found there was a little bit more consistency for the crepe. So we have 8 eggs in here. Now, we're going to add a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
This is a pinch. And Sammy.
Now whisk it again.
And then a cup and a half of flour. All-purpose flour.
And I whisk it.
And we're whisking around and around. And when we're done with this, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 30 minutes. And then I'll show you how to make the filling for the manicotti. And if you followed my other Instagram story, and you knew that I was hunting this week for the ricotta cheese, what was sad is that you go into the stores, and we all know that everybody's panicking, and the coronavirus has made us all a little crazy, that there was no ricotta cheese on the shelves on Monday. And I posted it because I was a little concerned that people were hoarding ricotta cheese. And I had so many wonderful friends in Atlanta that called me from the stores saying, this store has ricotta cheese. So I am happy to report they actually have real ricotta cheese for the filling. But I could have done a homemade recipe using whole milk, heavy cream, lemon juice, or vinegar. Maybe next year I'll try it. But this is a lot easier when you can buy the ricotta cheese and make it so much simpler.
I think I got it.
Now I'm adding a cup and a half
of water,
Sammy keeps, so that they're crepe-like. You don't want it to be like a pancake.
Like a pancake.
You want it, it has to be a little lighter, so it's a more watery consistent.
Oh,
your arm's getting tired. Okay. So
I'm not gonna help me.
Yeah. So now we are finished, and I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
And then Sammy's going to go to the stove and show you how to make manicotti.
The stove.
All right. Now for the ricotta filling, we need 1 egg blended. So Sammy's going to whisk.
Yeah, whisk.
And then we're going to add 2 pounds of
ricotta cheese.
This is whole milk. Do not stew the skim milk. It's not the same. You got to use a whole milk ricotta cheese when you're making crepes from the manicottis. All right, so now let me just put that in the sink.
I'm not done yet.
No, Now we're going to add
ricotta cheese.
2 pounds. Give me that spatula.
Spatula. Ricotta cheese.
Yeah.
Now ricotta cheese.
Yeah, 2 pounds.
2 pounds of ricotta cheese.
And start stirring because I'm going to add
Yeah,
and then we're going to add 2 heavy cups of shredded mozzarella.
I know.
Keep stirring. Need a lot of elbow grease there, Sammy. Here, I'll trade you. Hold that.
Hold that.
I'm going to have you be the helper because I've got more elbow grease than you do. So now, Sammy, hand me the 2 cups.
2 cups
of the mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese.
Go ahead, put it in. Okay, put that in the sink. And a heavy
Heavy.
cup of
Cheddar
Parmesan.
cheese.
We're cheesy people. And this is 1 tablespoon. It's a heavy tablespoon. It's probably 2 tablespoons
Yes.
of Italian parsley, not the curly leaf. This is Italian flat leaf. It is so good. It is so healthy for you.
Let me stir.
You can try to stir. Can you get it? Here, I'll do it. So now we have finished making the ricotta filling, and you can see that it's just cheese, Parmesan, mozzarella, and ricotta cheese with Italian parsley. Next, we're going to start making the crepe Manicotti, and I will get to the stove, and Sammy and I will show you how we make the crepes. And then we'll put everything together, and you're going to see it's a big production. And I have a big island, so you're going to see a lot of crepes when we're done with this. But stay tuned. We're now going to do the crepes on the stovetop. So now we're going to make the crepe Manicotti by using a hot skillet that has vegetable oil on it. And you take a ladle. This is a crepe ladle. And you start swirling it because it's already a hot skillet.
Hot skillet.
Sammy's going to have to get her own talk show, won't she? So, now that we've swirled it,
I can watch.
Sammy's going to watch
And flip.
and flip it. Hopefully she doesn't break it. So, she's going to watch it.
I can watch.
And it starts to peeling away from the edges,
That is.
right? Let me just check and then I'll let you flip. Whoop. Okay, flip away.
I get flip like a pancake.
Hurry, yep. Quick. There you go. And it's a very fast process.
I pause.
Just a little bit, and we're going to take this one off and keep going. So now you know how to make a crepe. This is what it looks like. And see how it's like sliding off. So I'm going to probably do about 60, and then I'll be back with you. So we have made the crepes, and we've made the ricotta filling. So now we're going to assemble them. Sammy is going to put the ricotta cheese, about 3 tablespoons, down the center. And we've washed our hands. Okay, that's good. And one more.
One more.
Put it up there. So now she's going to roll them. And roll and pat it down. And then we put them in. We're using tin pans because we are bringing them to the children. It's Easter care packages since they can't be with us. I'm making them, and we're going to take them over to their home. So this is what we'll do. We'll do about 6 of these. But it's a very simple, and then when she gets done making the 6, we'll pack them away, and then we'll bring a sauce over to their homes, and they can put the sauce, like you'll use sauce over it, and bake it for 30 minutes for your manicotti. And I think she's doing just fine, don't you think? But this is what we serve on Easter Sunday. We only do this once a year because it is a lot of cheese. But we love them, and so it's our traditional.
And then I flip.
Yep, you fold, not flip.
Fold.
Fold. So she's making the crepes, and we're gonna make the marinara sauce now. And you'll see, it's a very simple recipe, but it's using all San Marzano tomatoes. And this is how we make manicotti. So stay tuned, we're gonna do the marinara sauce.